Does Zendesk support suck? Hi, customer experience community. Welcome to a video where I shoot myself in the foot while biting the hand that feeds me. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, my name is Dominic. I'm a Zendesk consultant. I've been one for the past decade now, and I've seen some stuff in my days. Now, in this decade of experience, I have noticed great customer experience. I have noticed mediocre customer experience, and I have also noticed negative customer experience. So welcome to this video where I shoot myself in the foot for the sake of getting internet clicks. So in this experience, I'm going to talk about whether customer service for Zendesk sucks or it doesn't. Well, this is a multi-layered problem, which is complex and it's not very easy to answer. For anybody in Zendesk looking at this, I hope this is going to be useful because all we want to do in the Zendesk sphere is bring value to our customers. So to debate on this topic, I have comprised a list of 4 main topics that we are going to go over in order to dissect and see where we are. We're going to first look at the history of Zendesk and see where we started out from. We're going to then look at where we are today and how things stand. And number 3, we're going to look at options that you have with receiving the right support that you need. And then we have a conclusion session. All right, so let's jump right into it. But before we do, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Comment if you want to see some special content. I know that I'm asking for your subscription earlier without giving you value, but yeah, hopefully if you like it, please subscribe because only about 7 or 8% of you are subscribed. Come on, guys. So topic number 1, the history of Zendesk. The company was founded in 2007 in Copenhagen, then it got some funding and it moved to San Francisco where it currently resides. So it started out from the get-go as a customer service, customer support platform and trying to solve this niche's problem. It didn't focus on anything else other than tailored customer experiences. Customer experiences being the foundation to offering good experiences for your customers so they remain with you, so they don't go to competition. As a tribute to Zendesk having been built specifically for customer service and customer experience, it has built-in features off the shelf with customer experience enhancements. So back in my day when I joined, first thing 10 years ago, Zendesk was already a pretty established company. It had, I think, about 700 employees, 700 to 900, something along these lines. So as I was joining, it was a pretty solid team. It had a solid product and it started being adopted by a bunch of big clients. So it was already establishing itself as one of the big companies out there. Now, back in those days, getting access to customer service was like a walk in the park. You would find it everywhere. Everyone was very enthusiastic about getting back to customers and everybody was chipping in actually on this. So it was great. It went very, very well. Heck, I was doing the same thing. I was also answering support questions and I still do. I still answer these questions. When you guys ask me in the comment section, like, how do I do this? How do I do that? If it takes me less than 10, 15 minutes, I do answer you and I give you the solution. All right, so this is everything about the first topic because it leads to the second one, which is where we are today. Where we are today, Zendesk is a big company. It has 6,000 plus employees. So imagine that in 10 years time, the company has sextupled in size, actually more, septupled. It has gotten reasonably bigger and reasonably more intricate and complex. And where we are today, the company has grown a lot, but so has its product. Now, the product has evolved immensely. So when I started out, it was essentially a very simple platform that was just solving a few things. And now it has evolved into this juggernaut of a company that is offering omni-channel support where all your support channels can be accumulated into one and you don't have to worry about maintaining different systems. So it's not only has the number of people grown, but also the complexity of the platform. So what I'm trying to get to is it's no longer a simple platform where you can just give out super quick answers. Remember when I said earlier that if you guys ask me questions in the comment section about how to do something, if it takes a few minutes of my time, 10 minutes, I reply to you happily. Some topics I don't know because even with this decade of experience, there's still so much to learn. It's almost like being a doctor. So, okay, I don't know the answer. I'm not perfect, right? But I have been through more than 300 projects in my days. So I've seen a lot of information. So I've been exposed to a lot of use cases, but I still don't know everything. And imagine somebody that is working in support doesn't know either. Because imagine you're starting a support job and you're 3 months months in and you're supposed to answer a very complex question. I know the kind of questions you guys are asking for. And sometimes something that you're asking for seems simple to you, but it's not as simple to give an answer to. Why? Well, it's because exactly the fact that Zendesk has grown so much and the product has become so complex. I'm pretty sure I have some screenshots back in the day. I don't know if I can find them, but to show you how simple the platform used to be. So this is what the Zendesk platform used to look like, and it had only Zendesk support. It just started out from there. It gradually added insights, which is reports, which is now explore. It had web form, which is like a very, very old version of guide, which used to be help center, which used to be web portal. It added the chat feature, which is still like, I don't know, 6 years ago, 7 years ago. They added the talk feature, which wasn't there either. So it was initially started out with just offering email support. It started adding messaging feature on top of the chat, which includes all the social media channels. And then 2 years ago, it added Zendesk Sunshine, which is the data model platform that you can play around with different types of data. So the platform keeps adding a lot of stuff. So you're asking a very simple question in your mind, which is like, how do I enable Zendesk Sunshine? Which for a level 1 support person, it's going to be, I don't know how to solve this. I can't give you a straight answer myself either, even, with all the bombardment of information that has been thrown at me. Sometimes a use case has to be escalated to, 5 people until the right person with the right skill set knows what that is, so they can give you an informed answer, because they can just direct you to the knowledge base. But you're not going to like that because you need a human touch. Also about today is Zendesk has had a change in management. So the CEO has quit and has retired, and then now there's a new CEO. Now this new CEO came, and it's because Zendesk is not a public company anymore. So Zendesk is a private company now that is just focusing on improving the platform and cashing in some of that money, which is fine, right? I mean, it's a business, it has to survive. Is it good? Is it bad? I don't know. That's not for me to say. That's for somebody else to decide. I'm just giving you the facts, and I'm telling you that it's not as simple as it looks. So I'm not trying to find excuses, because I also work as a Zendesk consultant, and people come to me and often tell me this while working as a Zendesk consultant. So I know, I'm aware. That's why I'm actually making this video, and it's probably going to be detrimental to my relationship to Zendesk. But that's beside the point. I like to be as real as possible with you, because the reason why I have this YouTube channel is precisely to give you value and to do a check-in with the stuff that I know and you guys are talking about, because I'm also talking about that stuff. So just to do a quick recap, what you ask for is never as easy as you think it might be. It used to be easy because it just used to be a bunch of small products and a few features. Now it's 10 products or 15 products, and maybe thousands of features. All right, topic number 3 is going to be options. Of course, you have options over there. So let's start out with the basic one. So the basic one that you know about already is if you are on a tier plan, which whatever it is, growth, team, professional, enterprise, if you don't have too many licenses, you're going to have to deal with support, which you know already how it works for you. Sometimes if the answer is straightforward, you do get the answer you're looking for. Many times it's not that easy because it's so intricate and complex, and there's only enough professionals to go around. So that's option number 1. Now, option number 2 is if you have a lot of licenses, like if you have, upwards of 50 licenses, let alone 100 or 150, 300, you're going to get a dedicated consultant to you from Zendesk directly, and you're going to get access to support very fast. Why? Because, your annual recurring revenue is high, so Zendesk has a very big interest in serving you and making you comfortable. Well, that is not the case for most people. Now, option number 3 is you can get a Zendesk Premier plan. Zendesk Premier plan is exactly as it sounds. It gives you like a premier status, and you get access to the same support that higher tier companies get access to. Obviously, it comes with a cost, so it is not included in your basic package. Option number 4, well, you need a consultant. Now, a part of the education journey and the maturity level for most companies is to understand that in order to thrive, you need to have some consultants. Somebody, of course, who you trust and somebody who you have good relationship with and who understands you and who helps you get value. Now, if you recall me saying this earlier, I am 10 years in this game and I'm still learning. That's my thing. I like it. I enjoy this. I don't know. This is my thing. I like it. I like to learn new things every day. And, apparently it's still not enough. However, I'm very fortunate to have 10 other people that I work with that are very talented and actually cover some aspects that I don't know, which is great. So you need a consultant to help you along your journey in order to save time and money with Zendesk. You want to do it all by yourself, that's fine. But in order to make money, you have to spend money. So you much rather have meetings on a regular basis with a consultant that helps you with your productivity and how to save money and how to keep your headcount low and how to increase your productivity, because that's all we do, for example, in our case, or some other consultants. We don't have to vibe necessarily. I mean, I'm one of many. So, if you get value, you get an offer, you like it, we agree on it, and we continue. By the way, my offers are very risk averse. If you don't like it, you don't pay. Okay, so back to the education journey and to the maturity level. If you understand that you need to spend a bit of money in order to make money, to gain more, this is what we do. We save time and money for these companies so they can focus on their vertical to make more money with whatever activities drive more business for the company or your company, right? You don't want to be stuck reading articles on Zendesk because all this information is for free. If you're going to watch my videos on this YouTube channel, you're going to become a kick-ass admin and you're going to find a really good job. But do you have the time to watch all these videos? Sometimes you don't, because you have your own job and you need to focus on your own vertical, which brings you more money. All right, so now topic number 4, which is conclusions. Now we've understood a bit of history, where Zendesk comes from. We've understood where we are today. We have a bunch of products, a bunch of new people, and politics within the company. We've given you some options that you can look into and how you can increase your productivity and, of course, save money, save time, and you're not just left within feeling like you're all alone. You're not alone. Don't feel alone. You're always going to be able to find the right people to help you. And what else? Oh yeah, if you want to become a kick-ass Zendesk consultant, follow this YouTube channel. By the way, I have an ebook which is for free. I'm giving it for free to the first 100 people that get it and subscribe to it. It's in the description of this video. And I'm giving it away to 100 people only because that's how many people I have capacity for right now, or we have capacity because we're 10 people. Okay, so I hope that this brought you value. I hope you like this video. I enjoy making it. I enjoy making these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.